Algorand value equivalent to $0.876 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $2,857 to 1926. The earlier day close, $19.19. The change was 0.43, 2.24%. Reverse rate, US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand figure for July 2024. Before all else cost at 3,448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,448, while low to 778. The found the middle value of cost 3,154. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,041. Change for July 14.7%. US to Algo expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 2,041 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 2,941. The found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3,448. Change for August 17.2%. Dollar to Algorand figure for September 2024. Initially cost at 3,448 coins. Excessive cost 3,4048, while low 2,778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,154. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,141. Change for September 14.7%. US to Algo expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at 2,141 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,141, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,707. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,564. Change for October 12.8%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for November 2024. To start with cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,477. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,439. Change for November 4.9%. US to Algo expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at 2,439 coins. Excessive cost 2,439, while low 2,083. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,296. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,222. Change for December 8.9%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for January 2025. Before all else cost at 2,222 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,156. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,128. Change for January 4.2%. US to Algo expectation for February 2025. At the outset cost at 2,128 coins. Excessive cost 2,222, while low 1,961. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,099. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,083. Change for February 2.1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 283 coins. Excessive cost 2,128, while low 1,852. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,16. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,000. Change for spring 40%. US to Algo expectation for April 2025. Initially cost at 2,000 coins. Excessive cost 2,083, while low 1,786. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,948. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1,923. Change for April 3.9%. Dollar to Algorand figure for May 2025. Initially cost at 1,923 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,000, while low 1,724. The found the middle value of cost 1,875. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,852. Change for May 3.7%. US to Algo expectation for June 2025. To start with cost at 1,852 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,961, while low 1,695. The found the middle value of cost 1,832. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,1818. Change for June 1.8%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at 1,1818 coins. Excessive cost 1,923, while low 1,667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,799. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,786. Change for July 1.8%. US to Algo expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at 1,786 coins. Excessive cost 1,786, while low 1,429. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,635. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,538. Change for August 13.9%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 1,538 coins. Excessive cost 1,961, while low 1,538. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,714. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,818. Change for September 18.2%. US to Algo expectation for October 2025. Initially cost at 1,818 coins. Excessive cost 2,326, while low 1,818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,34. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,174. Change for October 19.6%. Dollar to Algorand figure for November 2025. Initially cost at 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,144. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,128. Change for November 2.1%. US to Algo expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at 2,128 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,128, while low 1,695. The found the middle value of cost 1,942. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 1,1818. Change for December 14.6%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for January 2026. Initially cost at 1,818 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 1,818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.9. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,128. Change for January 17.1%. US to Algo expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at 2,128 coins. Excessive cost 2,128, while low 1,852. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,027. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,000. Change for February 6%. Dollar to Algorand figure for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at 2,000 coins. Excessive cost 2,564, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,236. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,381. Change for spring 19.1%. US to Algo expectation for April 2026. In the first place cost at 2,381 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,030, while low 2,381. The found the middle value of cost 2,662. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,857. Change for April 20%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for May 2026. Before all else cost at 2,857 coins. Excessive cost